Hello everyone. Today I want us to see how we can do NSSF contribution. Most of the companies they are in Uganda, they are having NSSF, but they don't know how they can file their contributions. People are facing challenges on how to manage contribution or how they can contribute to NSSF. So in our previous engagement, the physical engagements, I taught you how we can which percentages and how we can fill in the template. If you don't know how to fill in the NSSF contribution template, you can reply or you can comment on this video, and then I will be able to send you a link, as it's not set public to due to some sensitive information that is that template. So what we do, we visit our NSSF portal that is given to you. You put in your username and password, then you sign in. When you sign in into your NSSF portal, it will bring this display. When it brings such a display, you just come and click contribution. You come and click here, contribution. When you click contribution, you are going to come down and then you select, you see what you have. This is the contribution schedule, how you have contributed, the amount, the contribution, what you have contributed. In a contribution, you have to be a company to be able to contribute. You have to be paid to have at least 50,000 and above. When you have 50,000 and above, then you are able to contribute this amount. Then you just click here, new. When you click new, you click search, and then you select the period. Which period are you contributing? You choose the schedule where that period is. And this instant, I'm contributing a period of May. So I select that May. When I select that May, I click here, save, and continue. So I'm saving that month of May, and then I continue to upload the required documents. So I click here, choose, and then I click the template where that contribution is. When I click, it is here being selected, then I click upload. So it takes few seconds to upload, and then you verify that data. If there is any mistake in that data, it will bring it won't be able to accept. When it is fine, then it will bring the employer's name, the employee name. If there are many, they will be listed here. Let me say Benedict, Pauline, what they will be listed here, and their NSSF number, and then contribution type. Then I click submit. When I click submit, then it will load that template, and then it is able to submit or to upload that detail to the portal, and then you will be able at least to generate the payment reference. So you have seen that employer contribution is this, then this is employee, then this is employer. So when you sum up this contribution, you will have this contribution following the percentage we had. If you remember those people that attended the physical lecture, then you schedule the summary. You can schedule the summary and have it there, and then you print for future use. So if or you can come down and then you generate the transaction reference number. So this transaction reference number is the one that you use to pay the required amount to using any bank or using any payment model. So this is the option you can use to generate that. So that transaction reference will be generated, and you pay at your area at your area convenience. So it shows this is the amount. Then you click consult. When you click consult, you are able to know that I am paying. You are able to know what are you paying? I'm contributing this. Classifier is this. So you can click amount, period, 0. You can do. It can be an account. Then when you confirm everything, you just click save. When you click save, do you want to print before exit? You just say yes. So it will so this number is the one you use to contribute. Thank you for your time. We meet again in another lesson. We welcome you to join our physical lectures in Masaka and the Kampala and the Kyengera, Natete, Kireka and Mukono. Thank you so much.